Today, we're going to be learning about adding in texture after we read the book Never Let a Unicorn Scribble. So, I want you to pay attention to the story that we read today and look at how we use Scribble to make texture and make it fun and creative and play. We're going to learn how to draw a unicorn today, as well as make a Scribble a masterpiece. So, let's get started. You're going to need two pieces of paper today, something to draw with, scissors, glue, and then your choice is something to color with. We're going to start off by drawing our unicorn. So you can have your paper art either vertically or horizontally. It's up to you. And you're going to take out a pencil to get this started. If you feel like having a challenge, you can also use a marker and draw along with me. The first line that we're going to do is a small little curve. And then we're going to make the nostril part and fill that in. Next, we're going to do a little bit of a C. And we're going to draw a line off of it. Then do another little line off of that and connect it with a curve. From here, we're going to add the top of the nose or the muzzle, and we're going to do a little smile line. Here, try to do a really stretched out U or upside down rainbow. And then we're going to do an upside down rainbow again for the eye. And let's add in some eyelashes. Great job. Now we're going to add in more features and start with the hair. So here we're going to do an upside down rainbow again. And then we're going to bring it out a little bit. And you're going to do a little bit of an upside down rainbow again. And now a big rainbow arch. From here, we're going to do a curve. And bring another curve down, and there's your ear. Let's add the rest of the hair. So we're going to do another big backward C. And from behind the ear, we're going to connect it. Again, this time do a little bit of a backward C rainbow. Start back up at the top and curve and connect. Do the same thing. Curve. And now we're going to connect it. Great job following along. Now for the next part, we'll do another curve and come back up, not quite at the top. Bring a little one down, and we're going to do a letter C to connect it. Let's make the body. We'll do a curve off. And on the other side, we'll do the same thing, another big kind of curve around and connect. And there you have your unicorn body. Add on the horn at the top, do a little bit of a curve. And then when we add the lines for the horn, you're going to do an upside down U, or a rainbow, sorry. And that's what gives it its curve. And there you have it. Once we've drawn our unicorn, the next thing you're going to do is cut it out. Once you finish cutting out your unicorn, just think about where you might want to place it on your paper. But now what we're going to do is grab your crayons, and now you get to scribble. So think about however you want to scribble. Do you want to scribble with one crayon first? and scribble any which way that you want. Do you want to grab a few different colors and kind of scribble with your crayon all over that way? It's entirely up to you. So fill your paper, get as much as you can on there. Think about when you use your colors, the pressure that you use. So if I do my scribbles really light, it's going to show up lighter. If I scribble it really hard with it, it's going to show up darker. So take your time, really fill up your paper, get a lot of it covered, and I'll show you our next step. Once you're done, turn your paper any which way that you would like. You could have it vertically like this or horizontally. It's up to you. And then you're going to put your unicorn anywhere on your paper, and that's going to be our project for today. Remember to place the glue on the picture that you're going to be putting on your paper. Put the glue stick back down, cap back on where you hear it snap, and there you go. Take a picture and post it to Seesaw. Great job, everybody.